This is your captain speaking. Let's read.
Like and subscribe, huh?
Who has style? Who has grace? Who has pink all over the place?
Me, Fuchsia Fish, and also Fancy Nancy.
Ding, ding, ding.
She and I have so much in common.
Truly you do.
We're both big personalities, we're social butterflies with lots of friends, and we both have adorable accents.
Oh, about that?
What just happened to your face?
Well, you have nothing to apologize for, StoryTeller. Ooh la la.
Okay, now I know something is up.
Okay, it's not a big deal, but when I first read Fancy Nancy, like many, many years ago, possibly before you were even born, kid, I saw that Fancy Nancy loved all things frilly and fancy and French, So, just tell them what you did and be proud, ooh la la. I gave her a French accent, thus turning her into a French person, even though Fancy Nancy is actually American.
Is that all? I think it was genius. I agree with Gilles the giraffe. Mais oui.
Okay, but I am a little bit worried because out there in cartoons and other stuff, Fancy Nancy doesn't sound the way she sounds here at KidTime StoryTime. And I'm worried that you, kid, are going to be like, that's not right. That's not how she sounds, StoryTeller. No, she doesn't have that accent, StoryTeller.
And do you only do things the same way everybody else does things?
I do not. And don't you tell the KidTime family that they should be creative and original? Yes, I do say that. A lot.
And do you also know that Fancy Nancy has been translated into like 20 languages?
20? Which means 20 different accents, so she is basically a girl of the world.
Oh, that's a good way to put it, Gilesy.
Good friends. They make everything so much better, don't they? Now, let's see how these besties for eternity are there for each other, shall we? Let's go. Aren't holiday weekends superb? Superb is like super, only better. It's true. My bestie, Bree, and I can play from dawn to dusk, and that means all day long. Oh, this isn't just regular play. This is fancy play, like fancy crafting and fancy dressing up, and even the dog is fancy. Look at that with fur flowers and friendship bracelets, and look at the dolly. Has the same fancy face mask for optimum sublime sleeping enjoyment. However, I can never wear those. I might not be fancy enough. I sent a note in our mail basket. Fancier than texting. But alas, Bree can't play. She is going to her grandma's. She won't be back until Monday. And the note says, come over. But as you can see by Bree's body language, she's saying, alas, I must go. Later, Dad takes Jojo and me to the playground. I sit by myself and feel forlorn. That's sad and lonely, but fancier. But you know what is not forlorn? This beautiful day at the playground. And I always think it's kind of fun. I don't know if you've ever tried this, but maybe you can. Which is to imagine who on the page would you be? Would you be riding the whale? Would you be the sliding person? Would you be the observer? Would you be the person reading a book? On the bench? Would you be skateboarding? Would you be rock climbing? Who would you be? Hello, would you like to come and play? An older girl is asking me to play with her? How flattering. We just moved here. I don't know anybody yet. Her name is Lily, and she says it like this. Lee. Don't be forlorn, I tell her. I will be your friend.
Bloop, bloop, bloop. Just wait a second, StoryTeller. You made the other girl French too?
Fuchsia, I promise it will all make sense in the next 10 seconds.
Oh, alrighty then.
Lily smiled. Ding! Ooh la la! She's already lost both her front teeth. And double ooh la la! It turns out she is from Paris, France. When I hear that, I nearly expire. Like so. That's fancy for fainting. What were the chances? Lily is fearless. On the monkey bars, she hangs upside down, and she's closer to the ground. She can climb to the tippy top of the rocks, and she's a little closer to the ground. And spin on a swing. It makes me dizzy just watching her. Wow, wow, wow! Alas, soon Lily has to leave. Mama, can my new friend Nancy come to our house? And she turns to me. If you want to. Oui, 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 I say. And at lunch, we have jambon and fromage on baguettes. That just means ham and cheese sandwiches. But they taste amazing. Everything tastes better in French.
It is true.
When I burp, I say, oh, excusez-moi, and cover my mouth. Oh, excusez-moi. Lily shows me her room. Lo and behold, it feels like I am in Paris. Even the books, all those KidTime StoryTimes are in French. Oh, I see here. Oh, here's one about the Tour Eiffel. We read a book about the Eiffel Tower. But wait, there's more to look at here. Like this balloon that says Bastille Day, which is like France's 4th of July. And here's a map of France. And oh, Bastille Day celebrates liberté, liberty. And you know what else I spy in the room? Macaroons! Ooh la la, I am in heaven. And even her dog Stuffy has a raspberry French beret. Le bow, le wow. That night, I try a new hairstyle. Ah, kind of like her hairstyle. Then I stick raisins on my front teeth. Voila! Don't I look much older now? The next day, Lily and I go to the movies. She doesn't close her eyes when it gets scary. Oh! The day after, we visit the nature center. Lily lets a big hairy spider crawl up her arm. See, I told you, Lily is fearless. Ah! Afterwards, Lily comes home with me. Oh la la, Lily says, seeing the clubhouse. And speaking of ooh la la, look at these gorgeous lace-up ballet slippers and the heart fringe and the perfect color coordination and the feather in her cap. Can you say fashionista? I bring out all my accessories, beads, bracelets, boas, and bows, and show Lily how to look fancier. I love it, mon ami. Then, voila, it's time for tea. Oh, this is not just tea. This is high tea, which is always fancy. Olivia the ostrich knows about fancy high tea. All of a sudden, I hear, Nancy, I'm back. It's Bree. Guess what? We went to a fair and... I'm kind of busy now. Tell me about it later, I say. And Bree looks at Lily, then at me. A funny look comes over her face and... she's gone. Oh no.
What has she done?
She made Bree, her bestie, feel unwelcome and replaced. Oh, the drama!
Seriously,
I'm going to have to turn this into a feature film starring me and my bestie, Fuchsia Fish.
Oh, you hear that, StoryTeller? I'm going Hollywood.
Fuchsia Fish has always been Hollywood. But back to the drama at hand. The surprise, the rejection, the tears. After dinner, I sent Bree a note. Want to come over now? Right away, a note comes back, and all it says is, no. Big capital no with a sad face and an exclamation point. I think Bree is mad at me. I tell Mom. She's jealous because I have a new friend. I saw when Bree left your clubhouse, she was crying, Mom says. What happened? What did happen exactly? So I tell her, Bree wasn't jealous, Mom says. You shut her out. But I was busy with Lily. Making a new friend is exciting, but Bree is more than a friend. She's like family, and you hurt her feelings. Oof. Truth bomb. Gasp! Oh, no! Oh, yes! Mom is right. But now what? I race over to Bree's house, and when the door opens, I quickly throw myself in her arms, and I apologize profusely. That's saying I'm sorry over and over. We will always be besties for eternity. More drama, more tears. But now they are happy tears. And kid, I know sometimes it can be hard to say, I'm sorry, but sometimes we have to say it and say it again and say it again to the person that we hurt to make sure that they hear it and they feel it and they heal from it. The next day after school, I introduce Lily and Bree, and we teach Lily how to make friendship bracelets. Because Fancy Nancy has enough beads and love in her heart to go around and around and around. It is fun to be a trio. That means 3, Lily, Bree, and moi, which, in case you don't know, in French means me. So in the film adaptation, I'm going to play Fancy Nancy.
And I'm gonna play her bestie, Bree. And I'm going to play the new French friend,
You're going to be Lily?
Louis.
How interesting.
What do you think?
Let's see. An ostrich, a fish, and a giraffe playing Fancy Nancy and her besties for eternity? Creative. Original. I love it!
Hollywood, here we come!